Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session friends, we are going to read analog meter text. Means we have a number on analog meter, and with the help of YOLO and Google Gen AI vision agent, we will read the number from the analog meter. We have here our own custom object detection model which already detect the analog meter number plate, and then with the help of Google AI vision, our own vision agent, we will read the number plate of the meter. Okay, you will get the idea. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please subscribe to our channel, and we have a special membership for students only, because your support is really important to us to motivate to create a more and more unique content on this channel. Thank you so much friend. So let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I have here a new project where we are going to read analog meter numbers using Google Gen AI, the vision model, and YOLO object detection. So I have already created the model which detect numbers, which detect the number plate from the analog meter. This is the model, as you can see, base.pt. I will mention the link, code link, GitHub repository link inside the description box. Simply copy paste the link and just go to the code and click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. As you can see, it's now downloading. So we successfully downloaded our repository. Now simply we will open our file manager, downloads. This is what repository. Right click, extract all, and click on extract. It will extract our repository. Done. Now we need go inside the repository first, and then we need our video file. So vid.txt, this is the text file. Open the text file. Inside that I have mentioned mega cloud link. So this is the link for downloading a video file. So open browser, new tab, and just Ctrl+V. It will paste the link from our text file, and then we will download our video file. So I have already downloaded, that's why it says the save. So it will save our video file. Now let me close the mega cloud link, and then let's just close the text file, go to the downloads. This is what our video file, meter.mp4, and move the video file inside our repository. So let's just first watch the video file, then you will get that. As I mentioned, as you can see friends, this is the analog meter, and our goal is to detect this number plate, and then we will read these numbers using Google Gen AI vision. We will detect this number plate using YOLO object detection model, which I have already created. If you don't know how to create the custom object detection model, I have created several videos. You can watch one of them, and then you will get the idea how to create your own custom object detection model. So this is the video file, and here we will detect the plate, the number plate from the meter, and then we will send this crop image to Gen AI every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds we will send the new image. Gen AI will be recognize the text, and it will save the number, it will save the meter reading inside the text file along with the crop image. You will get the idea. So basically this is what our video file. Done. Now let's just open main.py. So first we need a packages. Go to the tools, manage packages, and search for opencv-python. First package, click on install button. Done. It will install opencv-python. Then we need Ultralytics package. So Ultralytics, hit enter. First package, click on install button. Done. It will install Ultralytics package. Then we need CVZone package. So CVZone, first package, click on install button. Done. It will install CVZone. Then we need, because we want to create here our own agent, so we need LangChain package. Search for LangChain. As you can see, the LangChain package, first package, click on install button. Then if there is an upgrade, just click on upgrade button, because as you can see I have already upgraded. it will upgrade the LangChain package. Then we need LangChain hyphen Google hyphen Gen AI for Gemini agent. Gemini agent, LangChain hyphen Google Gen AI. Click on upgrade or install button. Done. It will install the package, or if there is upgrade, simply click on upgrade button. It will upgrade the package. So this is how we need OpenCV hyphen Python, Ultralytics, CV Zone. Then we need LangChain hyphen Google Gen AI. This is the packages we need. Then base.pt is our model, which I have already mentioned. Then Google Gemini API key, which we need. So for that we will open their website. You have to simply search for Google Gemini API key. It will open Gemini API key web page. Then just click on create API key. And here you have to select one of your projects, select it, and then it will generate the API key. So let's just copy it, the API key, and then we will mention our API key inside our code here. Google API key is equal to mention the API key. You have to create your own API key, otherwise the code will not work. Gemini model, which is the latest one, which is the 2.5 flash. Okay, and then this is the folder. We will create a crop folder. Each date new folder means the folder name is basically the current date. So each day we have new folder. Inside that we have crop images along with the text file. Done. And then this is what our Gemini agent, as you can see, the agent will act as, what is the action for agent? Read the analog meter, return only the numeric reading, no need any description. Example 01425. This is the example for reading the numbers from the analog meter. So because Gen AI need base 64 image, so we will convert our image into base 64. So for that we have here a new function which will convert the image into base 64. So when we detect the object, let me show you here. Here it is, as you can see, here we are detecting the object. Then we have rectangle coordinate. Let me show you here. Here we are detecting object, we have rectangle coordinates. So we will crop the image. We will crop here our image. As you can see, the crop image y1 colon y2, x1 colon x2. So we are cropping the particular image with the help of detected object rectangle. So here our object is basically the number plate of the meter. So when we detect, we want to show the crop image on the frame. So we will show the detected live crop image on the frame also. Then we want to show the detected text also on the rectangle top left corner. Simple. So here show mini crop preview bottom right corner. So this is the method. For showing crop image at the frame bottom right corner. And then we have here display the reading on top left of the bounding box, means the Gen AI will read the text from the image. It will display on the detected object top left corner. As simple as. Now friends, let's just run the code. Let me close untitled. Now if I run the code, we mention our key, then we have packages, we have all the done. As you can see, there is a reading, and this is what the crop live frame. We are showing here a crop live frame, and here as you can see the reading, this 2 number is continuously changing. That's why it's only read the stable number, which is the 0006502 As you can see, 7 is basically going up and the new number will become. So 005025. Now there will be 8. As you can see, 8 is coming. It will change. As you can see, now there is a 8 and there is a 0. So it means we are reading the numbers from the analog meter perfectly using Google Gen AI Vision, our own agent, Vision agent. So we are sending the crop image to Gen AI to recognize the text. As you can see now, friends, because we have here a limited quota, so that's why right now I am sending here every 5-second image. Of course, because we are using here a free Gen AI vision model, so that's why there is a limited quota. So now I think we have more data. So here it is, as you can see, there is a crop folder with the current date, and inside that we have image, the crop image. As you can see, the crop image. So this is what the crop image and their text file. As you can see, their text file. Simple. So we want to read the timing. So this is basically 1351. So 1351 text file, I think it's not generated because, friends, remember one thing, as I mentioned, because this is the free version of Gen AI, so it will take time, because we mentioned here delay, 5-second delay. So let me show you here. We have another image. So here we can see also there is a 8. So 1350. So 1350 we have text image, and as you can see there is a full number, there is a full reading. So let me show you here. This is what our 1350 yes, 1350 reading, and this is the text file. Yes, this is the, as you can see, 00650 So as I mentioned, friends, with the help of Gen AI and YOLO object detection model, I have mentioned the model, you can detect the analog meter and you can create your own agent which read the text. Also we are saving all the data along with the image and their text file. Here it is, as you can see, the text file. So image and the text file, there is a text file. Here it is, as you can see, again there is a text file. Simple. So this is how, friends, you can use Google Gen AI vision agent, and also along with the YOLO you can create this kind of project. I have mentioned the full code. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.